Hello friends, in this video we will be covering deal through report. So let's say we have a report and let's preview this report and see how the data is coming. This symbol shows that I made some changes in the report, so those are being saved. So just hold on for a few seconds. See, this is the report. Now what I want is that see, the first column is product key. So I want, if I click on product key, then based on product key and this particular date key, based on these two value, a separate report will come and that will give the more details regarding this product key in this particular date key. So to do that, I have created another report. That is the name of this report I have given as child report. Now in this particular report, what I am doing, this is the query. And in this particular query, I am passing the product key as parameter and date key as parameter. So to pass that, what I did is, in the parameter section, I have taken two parameters. Now in the deal through report, you see this is an integer field and this is also an integer field. That is why here in the parameter section, I have taken product key, which is an integer, and I kept that parameter, the visibility of this parameter, as hidden. Okay, and similarly for date key, that is also I kept integer and the visibility of this parameter is kept hidden. Now I need to link these two reports, means I need to link this deal through report with this child report. So what I want is, basically, if I click here, then redirect me to this child report. Okay, so to do that, what I need to do, here in the product key section, just right click and go to text box parameter, text box properties, sorry. So in the action, click on go to report, and from drop down you can select a report. So I have selected the child report, and now I can add the parameters. So see, I have param product key and param date key, and these two I have to map. So to map param product key, I need to map that with product key, and these are, by the way, the field of these of the data set fields. Those are coming from the data set of the deal through report. I'm showing you in detail. So here for the param date key, I am selecting order date key, and those fields are basically these fields. So this product key and this order date key. Where is order date key? This one, order date key. So these two value actually I am passing in the parameter. So let's preview the report now. It will take some time to load. It's loaded. Now see, here the cursor is changing. It is changing to finger. So click on click on this and see what happens. See, it loaded and the child report got generated. So by pressing this back button, I can go back to this main report, and if I click in the second column, then again the child report will be loaded for the second column. So for 3, 4, 6, that particular product key, and the date key is this one. And I am getting the relevant data like unit cost and unit in, unit out, unit balance, etc. This data we are getting. So basically this is the deal through report. This is the example of deal through report where we can navigate to other report by clicking on some field of the main report. Thank you very much for watching this video.